Establishing an error-free assembly process starts with programming. One point is SIPLACE Smart Pin Support, for example. The pins are automatically and precisely positioned according to the definition in Works program. A 3D visualization enables the early detection of possible collisions with components. In addition, all pins are monitored for positioning continuously inside our SIPLACE placement machines. And now we have a look into the software. As you can see here, we already have the 3D view of our board. And if you tilt it, you will see also the program support pins and also the bottom view of the board. And here you can easily detect if you have a collision with sensitive components.